All right, we've got another great question from one of our readers in our trading community. Hi, Mike. My name is Jonathan, and I'm relatively a new trader, and I began reading your first book, One Good Trade. I love the idea of your if-then statements, and I'd love to work on my own statements. I have a list of plays I believe I have the most edge in, one being red to green or green to red. I guess you can also call them day two plays, although you don't necessarily have to have a strong bull or bear day for them to work. My question to you is about the number of stocks on a beginner's watch list. Usually I'll have no more than 6. However, that causes some paralysis by analysis in me, and I end up making mistakes. I'm not sure if this is due to having too many stocks on my screens, or maybe if it's simply that I don't have a solid plan for each one. In the book, in One Good Trade, you mentioned that your guys and S&B narrow your list down to 2 main watches. Is this what you think is best? And once you have these 2, do you only look at those, or do you keep scans up for the other potential plays? Thank you very much, Jonathan. All right, great question. The answer depends on your experience, skill level, and ability to process information. At the start of your trading career, when you sit in a room like this, in our training room, I really like the idea of honing on 2 stocks to trade in a session. After, and only after, you show success watching 2 stocks, then increase the number of stocks that you watch during a session. So get good at 2 stocks, master that, and then think about bumping it up. Perhaps then jump up to 4 stocks and measure your results. If you have success with 4 stocks, after you've measured them, then consider increasing how many you watch. One trader at the firm has an issue trading too many stocks during a session. And the trader implemented a rule to trade only 3 stocks during a session. The next day, he traded much more than 3. And I responded, seriously, you said 3 stocks yesterday, spend tomorrow on the demo, violating rules has consequences. One of our top traders has an extraordinary ability to process vast amounts of data at once. For him, it's best to trade many stocks at the same time. From today, here's a list of the stocks that he traded in his main day trading account. And you can see how many he's traded right here. Look, he traded over 20 stocks during the intraday. And most importantly, he traded them well. Plus, he traded 4 stocks in his long-term account. The best traders in our firm have an intraday account and a long-term account. Plus, he traded options. Best traders have intraday, long-term, and an options account. Plus, he traded futures. Best traders have all those accounts as well. Now, he's a black shirt trader. Black shirt traders are guys who have made $2 million net in P&L in a given trading year. He has a unique ability to process information. But I raise this because there's not a correct answer for all of this. Now, having said that, I do love your idea of taking it slow when you start, having success that you measure, put your results into TraderView or a system like that, and see that you're trading with edge, and then expanding from there. Hope that helps. We'll talk to you soon. Trade well.